Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. We have four answers 12, 9, 3 and 1. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we will discuss here two rules for BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number 2, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number, power or root, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will we do? You will go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. One more thing, these two operations have similar precedence. If you are going left to right and if multiplication is coming first, so you can solve multiplication first before division. And if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, we have 12 minus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 1 and divided by 3. So first of all, according to the rule, we will solve the bracket, this one. Now we will say 12 minus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 1 equals to 3. And this part we will write now as it is. Now we have here, we will give the reference here, which is 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Now move forward. Now move forward to solve exponent part. So in our expression, we do not have any exponent part. So we can skip this step. Now we will go to solve the addition, multiplication and division. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out division or multiplication. So first we have multiplication, this one. So now we will say 12 minus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 divided by 3, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. Now move forward again left to right and find out again division and multiplication. So now we have the division. So we will write 12 minus 9 divided by 3 equals to 9 1 the 9. Sorry, 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9. Now we will give the reference 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. Now move forward. We have here two terms which are subtracting each other. So if we resolve, so the answer of this expression is, so we will get the answer is 9. So the answer of the given expression is 9. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. If you see the answer in the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.